Now let's watch a video.
Symbols, formulae, and equations.
Dad, the encyclopedia says that everything on our earth is made up of atoms.
That is right, dear.
But Dad, our teacher said that everything around us is matter.
Well, your teacher is also correct.
I'm so confused, Dad.
Actually, matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms.
If all matter has atoms, then why is one substance different from the other?
That's because different materials have different types of molecules.
Molecules?
Yes, atoms often combine to form molecules. The smallest particle of a substance that has all the properties of that substance is called its molecule.
Oh!
Let me explain this to you through a few examples. Do you know that the water which we drink contains both oxygen and hydrogen?
Aren't oxygen and hydrogen gases, Dad?
They are. Let us learn about oxygen. Oxygen gas is made up of oxygen molecules. Each oxygen molecule has 2 oxygen atoms. Such molecules which are made up of only one type of atoms are called elements.
Then why is water different from oxygen gas?
That's because each molecule of water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Molecules like water, which are made up of more than one type of atoms, are called compounds.
It's interesting, Dad.
Now, son, as one element is different from another, each element is given a different name for its identification. To make things easier, each element is assigned a specific symbol, which is derived from the name of the element. A symbol is a short representation for the name of the atom that forms the element. These symbols are called atomic symbols.
I hope you understand about atoms, molecules and symbols. Now let us learn more about atoms and molecules.
Matter is made of millions of tiny particles called atoms. Whether solid, liquid or gas, an atom forms the basic unit. Atom comes from the Greek word atomos, meaning indivisible. Matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. These are so small that we cannot see them. These atoms usually join together in small groups called molecules. Water molecule is made from a pair of hydrogen atoms joined together to an oxygen atom. So, the composition is as shown. H2 plus O gives H2O. All matter can be classified into one of the 3 groups: elements, compounds and mixtures. Elements and compounds are pure substances. An element is matter that is made up of only one ingredient. Carbon, oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen are non-metallic elements. A molecule of hydrogen gas is formed when a pair of hydrogen atoms join together. So, H plus H gives H2. H2 is a molecule and H represents atom. Copper, gold, silver and iron are metallic elements. Few elements are found in pure form. They usually combine with other elements to form completely different materials called compounds and mixtures. In a compound, elements always join together in a fixed ratio. Compounds can be separated to their element, but element cannot be broken down to anything that is simpler. In a mixture, 2 or more substances mixed together. Physically, ratio is not fixed as they are not chemically combined. Here, sand plus oil plus water gives mixture. Substances in mixture can be separated by physical means. In mixtures, substances also retain their individual properties.